is capital C and it is small c. So in this video we will learn words which begin with letter C. C for collar. C for cramp. C for center. C for court. C for cloud. C for captain. C for cotton. C for comb. C for cry. C for chair. C for complain. C for citizen. C for city. C for chili. C for chess. C for chalks. C for cock. C for cable. C for clap. C for cooker. C for cricket ball. C for cot. C for child. C for circle. C for crow. C for cat. C for cup. C for cactus. C for creeper. C for chain. C for catch. C for close. C for cupboard. C for children. C for chicken. C for cricket. C for cuff. C for can. C for camp. C for caterpillar. C for crayons. C for chin. C for cherry. C for cage. C for cash. C for card. C for compass. C for chimney. C for cheese. C for cheetah. C for crab. C for cake. C for clock. C for crown. C for cow. C for currency. C for camel. C for color. C for coin. C for cone. C for collage. C for cancer. C for coronavirus. C for call. C for cell. C for cat. C for carom board. Thanks.